Now that all of our liquid ingredients have been added together along with the sugar, we're ready for the pecans. You want to make sure that your pie filling is a nice consistent texture. You don't want any lumps of anything, particularly not sugar or bits of egg, before you mix in the nuts, because once the nuts are added, then nothing else is going to combine very well. So we've already chopped our nuts, and we want to use 3/4 of a cup of chopped nuts. And it helps if you're doing this over something in case you spill while measuring. You just want to stir in the nuts and make sure that they're all mixed in so you don't have any lumps of nuts anywhere. So this way, every bite of the pie is going to have lots of nuts in it.